and welcome to the Better Banking Podcast. I'm your host, Eric Foster, and running the show in the control room is Producer Rune. How's it going there, Producer Rune?
Everything is fine, though I have been replaced by a pod person. If you're not familiar, that's an alien invader who has stolen my likeness and voice to impersonate me until their inevitable invasion. Aside from that, everything's fine. How are you?
The Better Banking Podcast is a show created by Gain Federal Credit Union. Gain believes everyone ought to have access to fair and honest banking services, and Gain has a commitment to share our financial knowledge for your financial advantage. Now, I'm not the expert, but I know the experts, and we're going to bring you the experts to help manage your money better with useful information and resources. We'll also share our insights on how credit unions work and how they're different from banks. Let's get started. On the podcast today, we have from our lending department, Anna Escobar. Anna Escobar is one of our lending consultants. She's been an employee here for a number of years at Gain Credit Union. Anna, welcome to the podcast.
Thank you for having me.
Why don't you tell us a little bit about what you do and how long you've been here?
I am in the consumer lending department. I have been here for the past 11 years.
And what exactly are consumer loans, just for our audience?
Personal loans, auto loans, credit cards. Those are the type of loans that we handle.
I understand, too, we have different products and services in addition to auto loans. One of them is called gap coverage. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Guaranteed asset protection. Anytime you're involved in an accident and your car is totaled, the insurance company is going to cover what the retail value is at that time. So let's just say you owe $20,000 on your loan, and the insurance company says your car is valued at $19,000. The $1,000 is the gap. If you don't have gap insurance on that loan, the $1,000 you have to pay out of pocket.
Fortunately, I've never been involved in an accident like that where the car had to be replaced. But wow, what a money saver this could be.
Only $569 in average, or about $8 more a month on your monthly payment.
And I also understand we have this one I'm a little bit more familiar with, the mechanical breakdown coverage. Tell us a little bit about that, because that's very helpful as well.
You know, our vehicles age and rack up the miles. You could also rack up the big repair bills. And that's where if you have the mechanical repair insurance, you'll not have to worry about the money to make the repairs on your car.
And do I have to have a loan to get that?
You can get it separately. You don't have to have the car finance with us.
Bank your business with Gain Federal Credit Union. Gain offers checking accounts, saving accounts, and more to help your business thrive. Streamline your transactions with a business debit card. Earn dividends with your business savings. We've even got share certificates for the long term. And all along the way, you'll get the same great service and products that Gain members already enjoy. Ready to get down to business? Visit gainfcu.com/business. Terms apply. See credit union for details. Gain Federal Credit Union is insured by the NCUA and an equal housing lender.
Let's say I'm looking for a new vehicle and I can't seem to find it at the dealership. What does Gain offer in the way of assistance to help me find the vehicle I'm looking for?
We have a service called Auto Expert. Pretty much when a member gets approved for a loan, I will let them know that we do have an auto buying service. They don't have to pay a single penny, and they can do everything without having the member go to the dealership. They can even deliver the car to them, whether it's at home, here at the credit union. Auto Expert can do all that for you without you having to step a foot into the dealership.
And you said that there's no charge for this service?
No charge whatsoever.
That's certainly an extra benefit to our Gain members to have an auto expert, help them find and locate the vehicle that they're looking for.
And saving them money. Average is about $1,600 through volume discount pricing.
Why would someone want to use Gain Federal Credit Union versus, let's say, a dealer financing?
I feel the most important thing is relationship. We all want to be able to have a relationship with our finance company. And it just gives you the peace of mind knowing that you ever need anything. You can walk into the branch or call and speak to a specific person that's always going to be there.
Anna, I can't thank you enough for coming by today. I know you're busy. I know you have members to serve, but we really appreciate the information you shared with us today, and you're welcome back here anytime.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for having me. And anytime, any questions, feel free to give me a call.
And that's all for this episode. Please send your comments and questions to podcast@gainfcu.com. Once more, I'd like to thank our guest, loan specialist Anna Escobar, for joining us today. And of course, thank you to producer Rune. He does such a fine job in the control room there. How's it going now, producer Rune?
Oh, everything's fine back here. Though I have just been recently informed of my previously unknown royal lineage and am urgently required overseas, as my subjects appear to already be in a state of open rebellion. But everything's fine. Back to you.
Join us next time, because there's a lot more to gain.
The views and opinions expressed by hosts and guests of the Better Banking Podcast are not those of Gain Federal Credit Union. Gain Federal Credit Union is insured by the NCUA and an equal housing lender. NMLS number 407810.